Hello, hello, good evening everyone, and welcome to my live stream here in YouTube. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Good evening. I hope everyone's doing fine. Hello. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Yes, hintay lang din tayo mga ilang segundo. We'll wait for a while for our avid fans, avid viewers, our avid students who will be here. So this is an online tutorial every Tuesday night at 7 to 8 p.m. This is intended for maths and science. If you have any question, please do let me know by typing on the chat box. Ayun. We will be starting in a while. We'll just wait for the rest to be here. Excuse me. Ano ba yan? Alright. Hintay-hintay tayo ng konti. I hope everyone's doing fine. If you do have a question for maths and science, please do type it in our chat box. Chat comment. And I'll try my level best to answer all your questions pertaining to maths and science. I hope everyone is doing fine on a Tuesday night. Otherwise, if you just wanted to drop by and listen to our song, our chill dito. Let's chill. Good evening po sa lahat. I hope everyone's doing okay. Please do share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. I also have my Facebook Live and Facebook channel, Facebook page. If you would like to follow me in my Facebook, it's Maria TV. And I play mobile games in my Facebook page on a weekend, of course, para hindi tayo mapapagalitan. Okay, so alright, so we will start in a few minutes. Hintayin lang natin yung oras. I think I went live a bit earlier than the schedule, which is at 7 p.m. Okay. So we will be okay, now I'm gonna let you music. All right, so we will be discussing maths and science. Hi, Maha Blanca, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Do you have any question with maths or science, Maha Blanca? Please do type it in. Okay, so with our maths tonight, we will be talking about radicals, and let me just, okay. So if we say radicals, there are actually a lot of ways to simplify radicals in using the different operations of maths. So tonight we will focus more on the multiplication or the product rule of radicals. So when we say product rule of radicals, if you have a square root, a square root of A times a square root of B, we can actually place them on one square. Anong nangyari? Wait. A square root of A times a square root of B. If you would like to put them together and apply the rule of product rule of radical, you can place them on one radical sign, and that will be square root of AB. Okay, so if, let's say for example, you have square root of 5 times square root of 2, pwede nyo yung ilagay sa isang radical symbol lang, and then you'll have 5 times 2 inside. That will be square root of 10. Okay, and let's say for example you have square root of 14 times the square root of 21. You can put that together in one radical symbol, 14 times 21, and then instead of multiplying it together, okay, before you multiply 14 and 21, when you are to simplify, you have to find factors, okay, factors of your numbers that are perfect square. So if we go back to 5 and 2, the number 5 and 2 are already a prime number. So there are no factors of 5 and 2 that are perfect square except 1. So we just leave it as 10. But however, for 14 and 21, there is a factor of 14 and there is a factor of 21 that is actually the same. So if you factor this out, this will be square root of 14 is 7 times 2 and 21 is 7 times 3. So if you would notice, you have 2 of your 7 here. So pwede mo yang ilagay together. So that could be square root of 7 square times 2 times 3. So since it's a 7 square and you have a radical of square root, that will be taken out as 7, and then you will have square root of 2 times 3, which is 6. So the answer will be 7 square root of 6. Hi Ambery, good evening. All right. Okay, so another example for radical, let's say you have a negative and then a square root of 10d cubed, okay, And then you have a times 2 square root of 15d7. So the first step that you have to do is combine both. So when you combine both, this will be negative. That's a negative here and a 2. So negative times 2, you'll have negative 2. A square root of, you have 10 times 15 times d cubed times d7. Okay, so you put them all in one root or one radical sign. And then you have negative 2. You'll have square root, and then you try to factor 10 and 15. If there are any factors of 10 and 15 that will be the same, okay? Your goal is to get a factor of your numbers that are the same. Para pag i-combine mo, pwede mo siyang maging exponential form. Okay? So 10 is 2 times 5. 15 is 3 times 5. And then d cubed and d7 together, that's 7 plus 3, that's 10. So d to the power of 10. So if you would notice here, you have 5 and 5. Magkatulad yan. So pwede mo yang ilagay sa isang exponential form lang. So 2 times 3 times 5 squared, dahil dalawa yung 5, 5 times 5, d to the power of 10. Tapos, you can extract now the 5 and the 10. So 5, that's times 5. And then 10 divided by 2. That will be 5. And then square root of 6 sa loob. So then you will have negative 10 d5 root 6. All right. Okay. So another example, if let's say we have square root of 50 y cubed times square root of 2 y fifth. So again, if you are asked to simplify, you put it on one radical sign if it's applicable. Okay, if you have the same radical sign, then you can put it together. But however, if your radical symbol is of different index, halimbawa yung isa is square root, yung isa is cube root, you cannot combine both. Okay, only when it is the same. So this will be square root of, you'll have 50 times 2 y cubed y fifth. All right. So you will have the square root of 50. Factors of 50 that are perfect square is 25 times 2 times 2 y cubed. Lagay na lang natin together, ha? Ayun, na-delete lahat. Sana ma-undo. Hindi na ma-undo. Ay, nako. Because of technology. Sulat natin ulit. Square root. Uy, delayed yung screen ko. Okay. So you would multiply it together, put it in one radical symbol. You'll have 50 times 2 times y cubed times y 5. Okay. Now, your 50 and 2 is actually 50 times 2 is 100. So you have a choice. You can put it together because 100 is a perfect square. Or the other way as well is to find the factors of 50 that are perfect square. Ayun na naman tayo. Wait, ah. Okay, so you find a factor of 50 and 50 that will be perfect square. So you have that option. So you can have 25 times 2 y together. You have 5 and 3 together, that will be 8. And then you get 25 times 4 times y8. 25 is 5, 4 is 2, y8 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you'll have 10y to the power of 4. So it's the same thing if you combine 25 and 2 together. Because 25 and 2 together is also 100. So square root of 100 is also 10. So you will also get the same answer. Mom, your voice is kinda hinay. Oh, okay. Palakasan natin. How about that one? What lesson is this, Mom? This lesson is radical product rule of radicals, simplifying radicals. Clear na, Maha Blanca, or it's still hinay? All right. So let's have another example. Is it clear now, Maha Blanca? Okay, so let's have another example. Let's say you have cube root of 250 m to the power of 10. Ano ba yan? Wait, let me see. Okay, cube root of 6, cube root of m squared, and 11. Okay, so if you have this example, what you need to do is you can combine everything first. Okay, so you can combine all of it in just one cube root. So you will have cube root of, tapos taasan na lang natin, 250 times 6 times m10 times m2 times n 11. Okay, now your problem here would be coming from the 250. Not really a problem, but since it's a big number, then you have to find the factors of 250 that are perfect cube. So what are numbers that are perfect cube? Since it's a 250, so possible that this will be 5 cube. Okay, when we say 5 cube is actually 125. So 250 times 2 is 250 times 2. 125 times 2 is 250. So you will have cube root of, right? 125 is a perfect square times 2 times 6. Okay? And we don't need to simplify or factor out 6 because anyway, there are no factors of 6 that is a perfect square. So leave 6 as it is because it's not perfect square, sorry, perfect cube. Leave 6 as it is because our index is a 3. It's a cube root. So only 125 would be taken out of your radical symbol because 125 is a perfect cube of 5. Okay? And then combine the m. That's a 10 and a 2. That's 12. And then combine n, which is also 12. So you will have those. All right. And then we will take out those that would apply to your cube root. So 125, cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of m12 to the power of 12 is 12 divided by 3, which is 4. N 12 divided by 3, which is also 4. And then you will have the cube root of what is remaining inside is 2 times 6, which is 12. So that's your final answer. Okay. I hope the multiplication rule is clear before we proceed to the quotient rule. So again, for multiplication rule of radicals is if you have the same radical, same index, you can combine them into 1. Okay, that's multiplication rule. Now for for quotient, so this one is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Now for quotient, Mahablanca, is my voice still low? Quotient. Okay, for quotient rule, it states that if you have the same, okay, the same, you can put that together to make it square root of a over b. However, if your radical is only in your denominator, we have to rationalize. Okay, rationalizing the radical. So you have a square root of b. That means, how do we rationalize? Okay, na voice ni mo. Okay, how do we rationalize? We rationalize it by multiplying it of the same radical with your denominator. So you will have square root of b over square root of b. You have to multiply both your numerator and denominator by the same radical of your denominator. So you'll have a square root of b over this one. Actually, this one will be square root of b squared, right? Based on your multiplication rule. So since it's a b squared, that will be a b. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you'll have a b. Okay, so that is your rule for quotient. So if you have a radical in your denominator, you will need to rationalize it. Rationalize. All right. So for example, I have 2 over a square root of 3. Now, since it is a square root of 3, you have to rationalize it. Multiply both by square root of 3. Then you will have 2 root 3. Please do take note that you can only multiply if it is of the same radical symbol. But since 2 is without a radical symbol, it has to be outside. Okay? And of course, square root of 3 will be square root of 3. And then square root of 3 times square root of 3 can be together. That's 3 times 3, that's 9. So since that's a square root of 9, that's a perfect square. So you'll have 2 square root of 3 over 3. So instead of passing through this method, square root of 9, just need to place 3. Because anyway, square root of 3 over times square root of 3 is 3. Okay? So that is your radical symbol. Now, what if I have some variables with it? Like I have an x, I have a y, I have a z, and so on and so forth. If you have those, then you need to simplify it by multiplying it with the same number. So for example, okay. For example, I have 2x over square root of 3x. Okay, I'll place an x. Now you cannot divide x and x because the other x is under a square root. So you rationalize it by multiplying it with the same thing. Okay, same thing, always the same thing. Whatever is this, that's the only one that you have to multiply it with. Okay, so you'll have 2x square root of 3x over, because it's the same thing, you just copy and then take out the root. Okay, because this one is square root of 9x squared. Okay, square root of 3x times square root of 3x is square root of 9x squared. So when you take the square root of 9, it's a 3. Square root of x squared is an x. So just simply take it out. You don't need to go through the process of multiplying both. Question. Okay, now what if you have a cube root? I'll show you one. Okay, let's say you have okay, let's say you have cube root of 3 over cube root of 8m squared n. Okay. By the way, when you simplify and it's a quotient, don't be bothered with the numerator. Okay? Kahit ano pa yung numerator mo, huwag mong pansinin. Ang pansinin mo yung denominator mo lang. So if you have this kind, you just look into the cube root of 8m squared n. Since 8 is already a perfect cube, okay? 8 is a perfect cube of 2 because 2 cube is 8. Then we let it be. You don't need to multiply a number para maging perfect yung 8 because anyway 8 is already perfect. So don't touch 8. The next one is m squared. So you need your m squared to be an m cube and you need your n to be an n cube. So anong dapat i-multiply mo? You have to multiply this with a cube root of m para maging m cube yung m mo, and then n squared para maging n cube yung n. Okay? And the same thing, you multiply the same thing on top. Right? Ang goal mo is dapat maging perfect cube or divisible by 3 yung power mo. Kasi yung index mo dito is 3. Your index is already a 3. So your power should be divisible by 3. Alright? So since it's an m squared, I need another m to make it a cube. And since it is an n, so I need 2 more n's to make it a cube. So moving on, let's just erase this. Alright. So you will have equals cube root of 3 times cube root of mn squared over cube root of 8m cube n cube. Now you can take it out. So you will have, and by the way, the one on top, you can put it together because anyway, they're both cube root. So you have cube root of 3mn squared sa taas over 2mn. So that's your final answer. Question. My question ba tayo? Before we proceed to our game tonight. If there are no questions, then we no. Wow. Wow, Maha Blanca. Wow. Okay. Then in a while we will play by 7:30. We'll play what was that game again? Maha Blanca, is Ate Dexin still there? We can play the trivia, the murder trivia, and then probably the gaspionage or the TKO. Okay, so we will wait for a while. If there are no questions, I think this was our lesson in previous grade. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So I guess if there are no questions, then wala na si Dex in here. Oh, okay. No problem. Okay, let's play the game. All right, let's play the game. Pero I can message her. Oh, okay. Okay, let's play. Let me know. Rita. Uh-oh, wait. Ah, it's the trivia murder party. Party. Which one do you want to play? Oh, okay. Ma Blanca, which one do you want to play? Thank you for all our for all our 5 viewers tonight. We can try the trivia murder party, but we need like a lot. What is guespionage? Guespionage is like from the word, it's a guessing game. It's a guessing game. Guespionage is a guessing game. Like, imong i-guess kung pila ka buok. They will give you a question and then you have to guess what is the percentage of it. We can play it later. Okay, let's play Trivia Murder Mystery. Oh wait, I have to join. Let's go. Oh my goodness. The sound. Okay, let's play. Bluey. Quick flash. Okay, sure. Let's play quick flash later. Is it only is it only two of us? So for those who just came in, you can actually join by typing in jackbox.tv, and then the room code is there. The room code is that one, WBNZ. And then you just need to type in your name and you can join. Let me know. Maha Blanca, anyone who wants to join? Who else wanted to join? We will start in We will start in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 1 minute. Sorry, not 10 minutes. Okay. Wala na, Blanche. Okay. Are we going to start now? Okay, let's start. Wait, okay. Okay now. Alright, okay, let's start. Are you waiting? Ooh. Oh, Murana. This is scary. Hi, Hishwar. Good evening, Hishwar.
Wake
Thanks
up.
for dropping by, Hishwar.
Come on, wake up.
Yeah, I'm already sleepy.
Hey, welcome to Trivia Night. A gauntlet of pain and judgment. Or at least that's how Parade Magazine described it. I'm going to ask you a bunch of trivia questions. If you get a question wrong, you have to fight for your life in one of my super fun mini games. If you do badly in
Good
the
evening,
mini-game,
Hishwar.
I'll kill you. But don't worry. Ghosts
I
can
hope you're
still win the
doing
game.
well.
When one player is left alive, we'll go to the final round where the living and dead compete to see who can escape first. And you still have time to join the audience and potentially get killed by me. It's fun! Am I still explaining how to play this game? Let's just actually play it.
Question
Okay,
number
first
1.
question. What river
What-
runs through Paris?
Paris.
Use your device to answer the question.
What is the river? Come on, come on. What's the river's name?
Time's running out. And the correct answer is... Who got it right?
Oh my goodness. Nice one.
Let's play a game.
Saint, what is the name? Saint? Is that the river's name?
Now I'd like you to make some art. Your life depends on your doodle.
Okay.
Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu. What is a
Draw this
Machu
thing the best you
Picchu?
can and press send when you're finished.
What's a Machu Picchu? Is that a Pikachu? Oh my goodness.
Your art will be lost forever. Hit send.
Volt Lightning. Draw.
I see not everyone bothered to draw something. That's not good. Only you left, huh? Well, get out of here, you knucklehead.
What's a Machu Picchu, by the way?
Score so far. Are scores important? If you crave external validation, then yeah. Let's try another one.
Bukid. Oh,
Which of these
it's a
nations is on the Horn of
bukid.
Africa?
Okay. Which of these nations is on the Horn of Africa? Somalia. Horn. South Africa, Madagascar, Morocco. Horn. Horn of Africa.
Time's running out.
Which of these nations is on the Horn
Who
of Africa?
said this? Everyone is wrong. I
We're
have a
so
surprise
dumb.
for you.
Horn of Africa is Somalia.
Hello, Guten Tag. Welcome back to the killing floor. It's time for some finger cutting. I
Oh
think you'll get
no!
the point
Ouch,
soon
ouch,
enough.
ouch.
I regret that joke the second I said it. Just choose one of your fingers to cut off. Super simple. Chop chop. Ah!
Oh, painful.
Wow, these are gonna make a great necklace.
That's so
Here's
scary.
how the scores are looking. Let's try another one. Cat fight. Meow.
Meow.
Who did Nikola Tesla have a famous feud with?
Who is Nikola Tesla? Who did Nikola Tesla have a famous feud with?
Time's running out. And the correct answer is this. Everyone is wrong.
No one got it.
Right.
We're so dumb with trivia.
We're going to play chalices.
Okay.
I've given all the safe players a bit of poison to use. Pick a chalice to drop your poison in.
To drop a poison. Okay. Come on, choose.
And it's your turn now. Pick a chalice to drink from.
Okay.
I bought most of these chalices at a garage sale. The former owner seems like a real weirdo. Good stuff. Now let's see what everyone drank. Brace yourself.
Oh no! Almoranas, you're dead.
There's no hard way to say it. I killed you and now you're a ghost. But keep playing and I promise you can still win. Here at Trivia
Okay.
Murder Party, we believe even the deceased should have a chance to succeed. Here's another one,
Alright.
which is not one of the 6 levels of the Girl Scouts of America.
Tenderfoot Brownie Daisy Cadet, which is not one of the 6 levels of the Girl Scout of America.
Time's running out. And the correct answer is this one.
Nice
Still
one.
alive. Let's go someplace fun. I want to see you spell. Use letters to spell the longest word you can before time runs out. It wasn't easy to make this whole letter grid thing work on your phone, so you're welcome. Oh, and all these other players get to play along too. And if any of them
Okay.
spell a longer word than you will be punished.
Alright, let's see.
Word time, go! By the way, the letters don't have to be touching. And don't forget to press submit when you're done.
Oh.
You're almost out of time. Let's see what you came up with.
I don't even know.
Let's see if anyone beat you. I like you, but I don't like it when you do well.
Aw. It's so
Next
boring.
Not the mama is a catchphrase from which 90s sitcom?
Not the mama. Not the mama. Not the mama. I'm not so sure. Not the mama. What is that? 90s sitcom.
Time's running out.
Is it?
Who said? This one? Everyone is wrong. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, we're so dumb with trivia.
Let's test your memory.
Okay.
Memorize the pattern.
Alright.
Okay, you've had enough time. From left to right, what was the order of the weapons? Last place will feel the pattern of my knife.
Oh,
Here's the pattern
wrong.
again, folks. How did you do? It looks like you forgot what was at stake.
Oh my goodness. I'm dead.
Only one of you is still alive. You know what that means.
I was memorizing the
Congrats on
color.
making it here alive. Now let's see if you can escape with your body.
Bluey.
I'm going to give you a category.
Okay,
Goosebumps
Bluey.
books. Tap on each answer that fits, then press submit. Let's see the right answers. You move forward one space for every correct answer. You're getting real close to the exit. Oh, did I mention that all the other ghosts get to play too? If a ghost catches up to you, then they will steal your body. Then they can escape and win the game.
Alright.
Here's everyone's next question. And ghosts get a third choice to help them catch up to you.
Romance language. Romance. Romance.
Decisions.
Romance language. Spanish.
Here's another one.
American Girl dolls.
Anytime today, kiddo.
Anytime.
Can you stay out of the shadows?
Roger.
Hammerstein musicals.
What? Rogers and Hammerstein's musical.
Time is almost up.
Come on. Carousel. Oh no.
We're gonna catch you.
Mm-hmm. Faces of the
Faces of
Moon. Oh, you can have two answers, two or more.
Anytime today, kiddo. Here's another one.
Pasta types. Falafel, lasagna, panini. Pasta types. I only know one of those. Panini. Oh, panini is.
Decisions.
I think panini is a. Is it a bread? Panini, or is that a pasta? Oh, see, lasagna and falafel. Rodents.
Anytime today, kiddo.
Anytime today, kiddo.
Uh-oh, that ghost is gonna get ya.
Left-handed Peter.
Time is almost up.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh no!
Next question.
Chemical element. Oh, come on. You should be able to answer this. This is science.
Decisions, decisions.
Decisions, decisions. Nice one. Exit, exit, exit. Let's go. Sausages.
Sausages. Anytime today, kiddo.
Anytime today, kiddo. Oh no!
Oh, this is so close.
This is so close. Uh-oh.
We're out of here.
Hercules labor. What is it? Hercules labor.
Decisions, decisions.
Decisions, decisions. Well done. Well done. Well done, Bluey. Bluey escaped. Final score of the funeral cancelled. Okay. Rita. Dili na ko ka-answer. Oh, okay. Wait. Back. Okay, so we will do the last game, which is... What was that? Quick Flash. Okay, Quick Flash. Oh no. What is... Yay, if only real Bluey is, yeah. Quick Flash. Okay. I think it's loading. Quick Flash. Okay, this is our last game for tonight. Let's play Quick Flash. Oh, Bluey again is there. Thank you for our 7 viewers. We are on the last lap of our live stream and we're just playing Quick Flash. If you have any questions pertaining to maths and science, please do drop a message or a chat on our chat box so that we can cover it for the next live stream or our next video release. All right, let's start. Okay, I'm going to start it now. Quick Flash!
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Hey,
I'm
hey.
Schmitty. Let's play Quiplash. Good group, good group.
Good
Looks like
group,
we're all
good
friends
group.
After this.
Well done, good group.
Here's round one. I'm going to beam 2 prompts to your device. Answer them however you choose. What you type goes up against what someone else types, and everyone votes on the winner. The
Okay.
more folks who choose your answer, the more points you get. Go.
Da-da-da-dun. 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 Hello.
Let's start this show. First up, the best way to make a waiter at a snooty restaurant angry is to keep asking blank.
Where is the waiter?
Your favorite quip now.
Where is the waiter? You're so funny, whoever answered this. The best way to annoy or to make the waiter angry. Where is the waiter? Where is the waiter?
Next on the list, somebody who would make a terrible soccer goalie.
Go.
Put in your votes.
Soccer goalie. Goaler. Ayo. Who answered that? Soccer goaler. Goalie, goaler. Only one. Shouldn't there be two who would be?
Next one, the worst thing to see out the window of your plane.
It has no
Time
wings.
to vote.
It has no wings. The worst thing to see out the window. That was nice, Almoranas. It has no wings.
Next prompt, how old-timey sailors pass the time on long voyages.
They counted the
Vote on your
fishes.
devices.
Watch. Oh my goodness. What kind of answers are these? Let's see who got more. Bluey?
That's round one. Let's take a look at the scores.
Almoranas, top one.
Round two is pulling into the station with double the points and bonuses.
All right. Okay, let's answer this. Let's see who will get more. Ta-dun. Ta-da-da-da-da-dun. Ta-da. Come on, Almoranas. Oh, it's Almor. Bluey and Volt Lightning.
Use the safety quit button if you have to.
Volt Lightning.
Okay, remember, this is all your fault. Starting us off, the real reason the giant at the top of the beanstalk was trying to kill Jack. Okay, select your favorite.
Jack was because he's small. Jack was taller than him. Oh, okay. Fair, 50-50.
And next is an ingredient you definitely shouldn't find in a bottle of water.
An ingredient.
Ready, set, vote.
Man around. Are you sure? Man around. That is so funny. Man around. Volt Lightning. Did you intend to make it all E?
Coming up next, what the filling of a deviled egg should be called.
Osmanthus
Okay,
one.
vote.
Bugok nga etlog. Who answered bugok nga etlog? What? What in the world is that?
Moving on, Snow White's biggest complaint about living with the seven dwarfs.
Where's my...
And vote.
Shouldn't that be Prince Charming? I think that should have been a Prince Charming, right? No votes! Why are you not voting?
You survived round 2. Let's see if your scores did.
Almoranas, well done, Almoranas.
We've made it to round 3, the last lash. Focus up because you're all answering the same prompt.
Alright, okay. Last round.
Follow these word lash instructions.
Come up with a music group with this word in the name. Music group. Come up with a music group with this word in the name. That's interesting. What could I'm thinking of the word fart. What could be the name of a... Okay, let's see.
Time to take a look.
Okay,
in round
the
3,
wart
you
in
can
our
award
s-
both a gold and a silver medal to your top 2
Wartatatawa
quips. Have at it.
humi. What is that? Wartatatawa humi. Howard girls. Raffler. What is this? Come on. What the tatahume means I'm sexy and I know. What the tata.
Great,
What the
let's see what else is in that. Bring
tatahume.
out the silver and the gold. Let's
Wow,
celebrate
Almoranas
points.
is on the lead. Oh, the what in our stars. What the what in our stars. Oh no,
It's
that
over.
is
Let's see the final scores.
Almoranas. Congratulations, Almoranas. Congratulations. Yes. Thank you for joining the game tonight. And I hope that you were able to understand our topic for tonight in maths, which is our radical expression, simplifying radical expression by applying the quotient rule and the multiplication rule. I hope that you are able to understand and I hope that you like the game. Thank you so much. And if you have any topics that you would like to be discussed during our live stream, then please do type in, leave a comment behind so that I would be able to prepare for those topics as well and take them either through the live stream or one of my videos to be released. Thank you, everyone. Have a good evening, everyone. Have a good day, everyone, and a good week ahead. As always, as Teacher Maria would say, please do live your life to the fullest, learn something new every day, and love one another as how our God loves us. Thank you, everyone. Good night. God bless. See you next week. Same time, same channel, same teacher here. Yours truly, Teacher Maria. Good night. God bless po sa lahat. Bye-bye. Good night.